Okay, so ito nga. So ang daming napu-frustrate ng mga clients at saka mga end users and entrepreneurs, business people, na napu-frustrate sila sa return of investment sa social media, sa marketing nila, sa creative nila, sa mismong layout artist nila, sa mga bagay na yon na hindi nako-convert properly yung leads nila into final transactions or conversions. So, ang situation kasi maraming factors kailangan tingnan. Tinitingnan ng data analytics, tinitingnan ng creative, tinitingnan ng target audience, tinitingnan ng budget. Hindi natin pwedeng tipirin yung process o yung marketing and expect big sales out of it. So, very important na titingnan natin yung iba't ibang factors na yon. At tingnan talaga natin maigi yung data analytics ninyo para for us to realize how to efficiently target our audience, get their attention, retain their attention, and then at the same time give value to them, and then that's the time that they will purchase from you. Yes, we can automate the process, but not all of it. So ang important dito is you invest with the right marketing team or marketing specialist na kayang gawin lahat ng steps na yon para makatipid kayo, pero at the same time, enough budget so the sales can come after that. So if you have any questions about it and you really want this 2026 na mag-level up ang sales ng business ninyo, freelancer ka man, business owner, entrepreneur, online seller, and all, you want something different. You want to capture a wider audience and turn them into loyal customers, then let's talk about it. All right? So see you soon.